Alright guys, welcome back to H.A.B. Garage. Today we're going to be doing a PCV solenoid on a 2010 Chevy Malibu. It's going to be a quick video. It's not going to be too long. I'm not going to, dance around in circles. I'm going to get straight to the point. It's, like I said, it's pretty easy. You only need a flathead screwdriver. So let's get to it. As you can see, I already took this off just to make it a little easier. But I'm going to show you what you're going to unscrew. You're going to need a flathead. Take this off, unloosen it, and then when you lift this up, you're not going to be able to lift this up, but you're going to use a flathead for that as well, and then you can get right to it. It's right there, so it's pretty quick. This video is not going to be very long, but that's how you get to it. I did it already. It's really simple. You're going to need a flathead just to get this one off and the second one right there, and you should be able to get right to it. So time to take it off. Let's get to it. This next part you should be able to do with your hand. Just pop that on there. You can slide that down out the way, and this one you should be able to do with your hand as well. Push this red clip down, as you can see, right. Giving me some trouble, but there we go. Shouldn't need any tools for this, but if any, maybe a flathead, like I said before. Same one. Let's push this in and take that off like that. And this should be slid on here. You should be able to get it off pretty easily. I think this is supposed to slide off if I'm not mistaken, but we'll see. So far it's not sliding as easy as I would like it. So I don't want to break anything. Let's see. Alright guys, I'm just going to take off the whole bracket and see how we can get it off, because it's not coming off as easy as I would like it to, and I don't want to break or bend anything. See if I can go the rest of the way with my hand. Alright. Come back to you when I get that off of there. Alright guys, got it out. Took a little bit of tapping, but as you can see, what I was using to tap it out of there left some marks, but got it out. Now I'm gonna slide the new one on there and just basically reverse what I did. Alright guys, this is the new one. I'm gonna slide this on there and plug everything back up, and basically that'll be it. It's on there, heard it click. That clicks. And that clicks. So there it is. It's done. Old, new. Alright guys, like I said, quick video. In and out, done. Only thing we struggled with was the actual getting the PCV solenoid off of the mounting bracket. So like I said, it's pretty easy. And I needed I think it was a 13mm socket, but that was it, just to get that off of there. So you guys should be able to do this pretty easily. And if you're having troubles with the car cutting off while you're driving, it is most likely not the alternator if you guys still have juice. So maybe this could be the problem you're having. So thanks for watching. If this is a problem you're having and you'll be able to fix it, leave it in the comments. Thanks again for watching, subscribing, liking. Catch me in the next one. Peace.